What's up, YouTube? We're here back with another video with you guys, and I was looking at a couple of my mutual funds that I had in my portfolio already, and 2 out of the 3 have like a very high average annual return rate, and I was like, damn, I'm like, this is higher than usual. And I was like, let me look at more mutual funds I was looking at, and I was on Fidelity right now, and the ones that I am talking about, the top 3 Fidelity stocks mutual funds that I think you guys should try to get into. And before you guys jump into it, please do your homework, look at it. Don't just because I say it, just buy it. Look into it, and if you're into that mutual fund for a reason, then go into it. But right now, I'm just going to show you guys the 3 mutual funds that I found. One of them I do not have, okay? 2 of them I do have, and I bought them when they were both negative on the year to date of the annual thing, but the lifetime of the return was sitting at, I believe, I think it was a 14 to 13%. And I'll let you guys know the 2 that I do have. The first one I am going to be talking about is the Fidelity Selected Software and IT Services Portfolio. Okay, this one I have it on the screen right here for you guys. Today's date, it has a 12.55% return. And then in a year, 1 year, you will have a 31.3% return. And then you guys can see right here, it's a 3-year 23%. 5-year 21, and 10 years 21. Okay, this one is like one of the best ones I've seen on Fidelity. I've looked at them this morning like crazy. I was trying to match them up, and this one, you don't need any minimum. Please, this is for Fidelity users. If you guys have Vanguard and stuff like that, I'm pretty sure you might have to pay a depositing fee into it. I'm not 100% sure, so don't quote me on that. Go check it out if you have like Robinhood and stuff like that, because I think you might be able to do it, but not too sure. But on here, you need $0 to invest into this. So you could put in $2 today, $2 tomorrow. You just gotta constantly stay invested into these, because once you do, your money will start to pile. One stock actually costs $21.64 if you were interested in buying one whole one, or once again, you can do $20, $30, $40, and that's how you get the ball moving, just to constantly like invest into it. It's a 5-star rating. Morningstar is phenomenal. They rated, I believe, all 3 of them, and they have no transaction fee at all. So to buy into it, there's no fees if you have Fidelity. And then if we scroll down right here, the top 10 holdings, it makes up 63.22%. We got Microsoft, Adobe, Visa, and they're just like companies that will basically never really go bankrupt, never disappear really like that. And there's 64 total holdings in the portfolio. There's 64 other companies included, and we're gonna go down here quarter end annual return. So you can see right here, they're sitting at a whole life, like the whole life expand of the actual mutual fund is 1574. Okay, that is really good. If you guys can see, the S&P 500 is a 1031. And then that's before taxes, and after taxes they don't have a bracket for it, but they do have the 10-year prior for it, so it's 1546 after percentage, like after you do the taxes on that. And then these also have, when you withdraw the money at a certain time, you will have to pay a percentage for it. And this one is 0.71 for it, so it's like I think it was $7.10 to go to it. I believe it was like that. And then down here, this explains the fun overview of everything of how it is. So I'm gonna leave the link down below, so if you guys want to do more homework to it and see what it's more about. And this one is technology. I'm branching off not all into the same one. So this was the highest one for technology, and then I have one for healthcare and large growth. So we're gonna jump over to the second one. That is healthcare. This one's a healthcare. This is the one I do not have. This is the second best one that I found on Fidelity. And this also has a $7 every $1,000 you make, they take out $7 out of it. Essentially, that's how it breaks down to. This one has a 6.92 for a daily. And then for 1 year of all the money that you should put into it and constantly will, it says a 35% increase, annual increase, average. And then 3 years, 18, 5 years, 9, and then 10 years, 18. That is really good. And also, once again, $0. So you can do $5, $10, $20, $30, as much as you can into this to get the ball rolling, and it will add up. And also, these do pay dividends. I am sorry that I didn't go over the first one. Let me jump back real quick. They do pay dividends right here. It's fees in right here. As you can see, dividend history. They do pay dividends for each one. And then the first one, they actually went up pretty good because they were only paying in 2019. They were only paying 3 cents for each share. Now they're paying 15 per share each investing quarter period when they do pay you. And you guys can see all this. Once again, I'm going to leave a link so you guys can see and do your homework. But I'm just doing a brief little overview of all this. So it's quick. You guys see, check it out, and see if you guys want to invest in it or not. Okay, we're in here in the healthcare one now. We're back into it. And then we just got off talking about the 10-year mark for it. And then we're going to jump right here where it says life expectancy, whatever, for the thing. It's a 1539. This one is only 30.30% under the first one we were talking about. And then obviously right here after taxes is 14, and then 12 after all the sale fund shares and everything like that. And then also a little overview of the whole stock, and you could read the risks and everything you want to jump into. And right here, the 10 holdings right here equals up 49.30% of the total portfolio. Yes, it has 96 actual other companies into it. And then you guys, if you guys are unsure what's into the company, you guys could actually click this little button right here on all of them and see, going more in depth of what the companies are actually about, so you can get into it. But this one is all mainly healthcare. It is really good. I highly recommend. I am gonna go invest into this one in a different video. I gotta break it down, explaining more to it and where I'm gonna invest it into. But I highly recommend this one. This one is really good for a year to life expectancy. So like, I would recommend this year coming up. These three that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting probably a lot of money into. Sorry about that. Let me move my camera again. I'm going to be putting a lot of money within this next year. In a year, a lot of money into these three mutual funds. Alright, let's move on. Alright, the last one is OTC portfolio. Okay, and look at that. It's Morningstar again, once again. And we actually, this one's a higher ratio growth, whatever, that they take out of your thing. So it'll be $8.90 out of every 1,000. Your daily right here is $6.96. In a year, it is 30. Once again, 30% annual return. 30. That is a lot. I got 3 mutual funds that I found that are over 30 with Fidelity, of course. And then there's 3 years 17, 5 years 16, 10 years 17. Let's scroll down a little. And then this one has a 13.35. I also have this mutual fund already, and I will show you guys my 2 mutual funds that I bought earlier in the year and how much they have actually grown and how much I've made off of them after all this. And this is the overview and the risk that describes like what's in it and everything. And then these are the 10 top holding stocks in it: Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Facebook, Alphabet again, and then Adobe. And then all these are all good stocks, even individual stocks for dividend payouts. So these stocks are all good. And then they have 248 holdings. This one's more of a, I feel like, a secure one. There's more a variety of stocks and like companies into this one, other than the previous two, but once again, all three of them are good. If you guys see right here, this has $10,000 from 10 years ago. Now it turned into $50,000, $51,000. That is insane. So yes, I would highly recommend these three. And look at this. Once again, $0 you need to have in this account. So you could have $10, $20, $30. And then this stock only costs $13.68. And the highest and the lowest are right here. This one is a large growth one. So if you guys can see, I got three mutual funds that are in 3 different categories for you guys to see if you guys want to invest in certain ones, due to the fact like some people trust healthcare more than they trust technology. More people trust large growth than healthcare. It's just a variety, so you guys can choose from. And I honestly believe in all 3 of those, due to the fact they are most likely always going to be around, because they usually don't go anywhere. People are always going to need healthcare. People use technology for healthcare. Technology is always around for Visa, Microsoft, Amazon. Look at Amazon. That's like technology. That's insane. Like everything that you need for technology, we use every day, unless there's a huge ass EMP, and then we're all dead. And yeah. But okay. I just showed you guys all 3 of the mutual funds. Now, let me actually just go to my profile. What's up? I'm here at my portfolio right here, and I'm going to show you the 2 that I showed previously in here. This is the OTC one, and I actually bought this one at $11.48 per share. Okay, and this has gone up 19.13%. That is almost 20%. That is extremely good. And I've made, just today, $8.74 from it. And in total, I've made $120.08 just from that one. Just that one mutual fund that I haven't had even, I think it's only been like two and a half months, I think, most. Because I bought it back in March. Okay? In 2 months, I've made $120 right there. And then this is the IT one. This is the best one. I think will grow more. I personally think, because they have a better life expectancy of like return. So I don't know. I'm gonna invest more into this one. Right now they're sitting at $21.64 per share, and I have 26 of them, and I bought them at $18.37. And I've made a total of $85.14, which is a 17.79% increase of what I've actually bought in. And just today, $5.99, and that is proof that these stocks are actually pretty good. I mean these mutual funds are pretty good. I'm going to continue heavily investing in them, and I'm going to buy the healthcare one next. For sure, without a doubt, I'm going to buy it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave the links down below for you guys to check them out if you guys want to do more research with them. I just really hope this helped you guys out, put you guys in a direction to look more into mutual funds, S&P 500s and stuff like that. If you guys are scared in doing individual stocks and stuff like that, and these mutual funds also do pay dividends, everything is right there for you guys. And I just wanted to show you guys how these are going to increase like crazy due to the companies that are with these mutual funds. They will never die out. They are always good companies. They are just amazing overall, and Fidelity has no transaction fees, no anything like that, so you're basically solid. If you have a Fidelity account, if worst comes to worst, open up a Fidelity account if you guys want to get into these mutual funds, because they are phenomenal. I think so. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and until next time, catch you guys later. Peace.
Mama love me so I can't do no wrong. Mama in the trap, so this her favorite song. I'm gon' get them racks, little baby, they so long. Set off.